at the Park View Inn near the San Jose Airport in Costa Rica. My room is adequate. It's actually very nice. Little coffee maker here, as well as a nice sitting area. And then we have a nice big shower here, and a single sink, but it's enough for one person. A huge double closet with a safe, plenty of space, and then a wonderful king-size bed, and a big screen TV here. And then there's also a TV in the sitting area. So this is a great spot for a great hotel to stay in Costa Rica if you're starting or ending a tour and you have to overnight here. So I highly recommend. It's like I highly recommend Costa Rica. I've been here multiple times. So please subscribe to our YouTube channel and consider calling A Premier Travel for all your travel needs. Coming here from you today from Costa Rica, this is Maureen Rennie, A Premier Travel Agency, staying at the Park Inn by Radisson in San Jose, the major city here. Today I am in a standard double room, and I'm going to give you a little tour of it. The room has 2 queen-size beds, easily to fit 4 adults. You have your telephone, the channel changer for your TV, night lamps, chair, table and desk, large viewer here for unpacking, your flat screen TV, beautiful views of the city at nighttime. The room has a full-length mirror here. Setup over here has your ice bucket with 2 glasses, coffee maker with complimentary coffee, your sugars, creamers. The mini refrigerator is empty, so you can fill it with things that you might purchase on your own. Large closet with your safe, ironing board, iron. We go to the bathroom. Very large walk-in shower. Bathroom amenities for your shower, shampoo, shower gel, and conditioner. 1 sink. And a nice large mirror. This is the Park Inn by Radisson in San Jose, Costa Rica. Standard double room, 2 queen-size beds, city view.